What is the largest internal organ? The answer is liver. Where is the smallest bone in the human body located? The answer is ear. What part of the body produces insulin? The answer is pancreas. Which body part heals the fastest? The answer is tongue. What percentage of the human body is water? The answer is 60%. What is the dirtiest part of the human body? The answer is belly button. How much hair does a person lose daily? The answer is 50 to 100. How long can the brain go without oxygen before damage occurs? The answer is 3 to 5 minutes. How many nerves are in human body? The answer is 7 trillion. What happens to your height at night? The answer is it decreases. How long does it take for food to digest? The answer is 24 to 48 hours. What is the smallest organ in the human body? The answer is pineal gland. How many scents can the human nose detect? The answer is 1 trillion. What is the main function of the heart? The answer is pump blood. What is the primary function of the lungs? The answer is transport oxygen. What is the function of the kidneys? The answer is filter blood. What is the function of the small intestine? The answer is absorb nutrients. What does the large intestine do? The answer is absorbs water. What does the spleen do? The answer is blood filtration. What is the function of the bladder? The answer is store urine. What is inflammation of the liver called? The answer is hepatitis. What is the term for a sore throat? The answer is pharyngitis. Which bone is the longest in the body? The answer is femur. What is the smallest bone in the human body? The answer is stapes. Which part of the body has no blood supply? The answer is cornea. Which organ regenerates itself? The answer is liver. What percentage of oxygen does the brain use? The answer is 20%. How many chambers does the human heart have? The answer is 4. What is the strongest muscle in the human body? The answer is gluteus maximus. What doctor specializes in surgeries? The answer is surgeon. What is most harmful to the kidneys? The answer is salty snacks. Which drink causes the most damage to the heart? The answer is soda. Which food can damage both vision and hearing? The answer is junk food. What is most harmful to the skin? The answer is fast food. What is most damaging to healthy hair? The answer is stress. What is most harmful to the eyes? The answer is excessive sugar. What causes the most harm to the nails? The answer is dehydration. Which food helps lower anxiety levels? The answer is chamomile tea. Which fruit is good for better eyesight? The answer is carrot. Which food helps strengthen bones? The answer is cheese. Which food supports a healthy brain? The answer is oily fish. Which drink improves digestion? The answer is green tea. Which fruit helps reduce body inflammations? The answer is berries. Which organ is responsible for producing urine? The answer is kidneys. What is the main role of the kidneys? The answer is filter blood. Which organ produces bile? The answer is liver. Which organ controls hormone production? The answer is pituitary gland. What is the function of the spleen? The answer is filter blood. What is the role for the large intestine? The answer is absorb water. Which organ removes carbon dioxide from the blood? The answer is lungs.